But she only asked for money. That's why. Why you have pink thing? Oh, now somebody's kissing him somewhere, guys.
Ow! I know it's chilly here. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Alis tayo, guys. Punta kami sa yung mag-ano ng sasakyan para mag-inspection sa sasakyan ko kasi hindi ako pumunta, di ba? Hindi ako pumunta, so yun. What is Ultra Bio? The one that you buy?
Yeah, it kills the bacteria.
Why it's not working anymore?
No, I guess I gotta shut the water and pull it apart.
That's really pain in the neck, you know that? That's expensive, huh?
You know, it probably just needs a bulb change or something, but it's not working. You're supposed to notice that. It's got a green light. When the green light's not on, you know there's a problem.
Yeah. So you have to buy another bulb with that?
I have.
So how many times do you have to change it?
That's the bulb. It's gotta be changed.
Does that need to be changed, really?
Yeah.
Still wearing the same thing, guys. It's not dirty, you know why? He wore it yesterday late.
Put it on and drive over here.
Yeah, just to drive here. He got here very late last night. Did you tell your wife?
You said you need a long mirror for the whole body. It doesn't have to be that long.
Yeah, guys, I told him I need a long mirror and he said it's not gonna be that long. That means I'm too short. Anyway, guys, it's cold outside. It's 25 Fahrenheit outside. It's Fahrenheit, right?
Yeah.
We will be right back, okay? We will be right back. And then, okay, we have to pick up my mother-in-law too, guys. Sa sister-in-law ko. What a good boy. My husband is a good boy. What a good dada. Han, you really need a heavy sweet coat, Han. And it's windy too. Get one. Good. Thank you. Because I know it's freezing. I told you.
If I have a hat in the car.
Hot in the car. No, let me see. Let me see. Oh, it's fine now. It's fine. It's okay.
No, I can see it like.
Han, it's nice. It's nice.
I got my charger in there. Oh, you just need a wire.
Yeah.
A wire, I got. Why do you keep calling it a charger, huh?
That's a charger, Tommy.
That's the charger.
No, that's a charger. The whole thing, connect to that, and the wire, it's the whole charger.
It's a charging wire. Data wire.
You have to make everything complicated, okay?
You have to make everything wrong.
No, you always complicate
Wrong?
everything.
Complicated.
Say good morning to the boy.
Morning, guys. My wife can't tell a charger from a wire. She's squitching me about it.
You have to open this. Oh, it's not even open.
Not open yet. I can do that. That's what I'm doing. You should have done already. Carly, no.
Hi, Tommy. Why you do that to me? Why? Tommy, guys. Nakarinig si Tommy ng malakas na kalabog this morning.
Makalabog? Makalabog.
How do you call the hand?
Kalag.
Big bang. It's a bang, a big bang.
Big Bang Theory.
So it's our garbage can. And lumipad, guys, dahil sa hangin. Grabe, it's so windy. Some people doesn't get another pets after
No, a lot of people don't. I would never have.
Because they lost their beloved pets and then they don't get another one.
I never wanted to get another pet after Lucky.
Really?
Isabel wanted to get me. She thought I needed it.
Andito kami ngayon sa andito kami sa Dunkin Donut. Malapit na kami actually sa bahay ng sister-in-law ko. So, bumili lang kami ng Dunkin Donut kasi natutulog pa yung biyenan ko. And, well, natutulog, pinukaw, ginising ni ng brother-in-law ng asawa ni Tommy. And then, sabi na puntahan, kunin namin siya. So, ngayon, nagbihis daw siya. Tignan natin kung bihis na ba yun pagdating namin. And so yun, kailangan siya ng breakfast, so that's why we stop over here Dunkin' Donut to get her some sandwich, egg sandwich, and also egg sandwich din sa brother-in-law ni Tommy. Hi guys. And ito na yun guys. Nagkumuha siya ng coffee lang sa kanya guys. Hindi siya kinuhan yung coffee ng ina niya. I told them that you don't get a coffee for your mother.
Nope.
Meron namang coffee doon kasi sa bahay ng brother-in-law niya. So
She won't drink it in the car anyway, so she won't use a travel.
Yeah.
So she just has a regular mug.
Regular Miggy. You know Miggy?
She may have her coffee ready there before we even get there.
Do you know who's Miggy?
Mickey?
Do you know who's Miggy?
From NCIS.
Is that NCIS?
Mickey.
It's from Buffy too.
Oh, she was in the first episode of what, Bull?
Yeah. She ended up like 2 episodes only because she complained that, you know, Bull joking.
Long dark-haired girl, pretty.
Yeah, pretty.
She was also in Angel.
She's also in Angel?
Yeah, she's been in a few things.
But she only asked for money. That's why people criticize her, I think, for it's 9-point-something million because that's what they promised her for the
For sexual harassment.
Yeah, for sexual. It's not sexual harassment.
She wanted the money for them canceling her from the shows.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you know, she turned down other jobs.
I know, but
Commit to that.
I know, but if she really complained, why don't she keep going for suing him? Because it's a joke, Han. It's part of. He said it's part of the. It's part of the episode of the thing that they have to say, and then she kind of get offended or something, and then something about threesome, and then it will spank you, something like that.
Yeah, well, you know what?
Everything now is like you have to be careful what you say. You cannot joke anymore when it comes to, especially if you're in the.
You can never.
You can never. Huh?
You know, even if you look at somebody the wrong way at work,
Really?
sexual harassment.
Really?
It's like, let's say you look and say, you know, she's wearing really tight clothes and you look like that.
Yeah.
She can sue you for sexual harassment. It's
Oh my
stupid.
God.
Yeah.
Everything here now, it's because of this going on now, like that you can. It's not this one over there.
Yeah,
I know this is where you should go. I know, I know you, Tommy. I know the movement of your hand.
yeah, but when I see, I know.
Tommy always never. He's always wrong, but he never admit that
Well,
he's
I was
wrong.
wrong. Did I turn into it? Then just keep
But
quiet
you
and wait
want
and see
you
if I turn
always,
into it.
always, almost.
Yeah, always almost.
Okay, guys, we are here at my sister-in-law's house. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Yeah, you got your phone in your camera.
Hold it, hold
Where's your
it.
phone?
I have my phone here in my room. Did you shut the car off?
Yeah. You're soft as can
What?
be for her.
Yeah, it's really soft. She have a really soft, fur.
Yeah.
Purr. Hello, Zoe. She have a sister or brother that passed away, right?
Yeah.
Sister. Oh.
The curved spoon doesn't work.
No. Gusto niya laruin yung pusa, guys. Kasi nagre-reflect sa sun. Yes, you can play. What are you doing?
Just checking
What are you doing, Sir Tommy?
the front door because it had something. But that's the only thing. That's the one thing Ring does much better than this.
The what? The ring?
Yeah, like you set the sensitivity. It
Yeah.
just picks up trucks driving in the street.
Mhm.
Big enough, it picks them up.
Don't open your legs. Be a boy. Just kidding. Just kidding. Why you have pink, hon? Why you have pink thing? Oh,
I don't know what the hell is it,
it's just somebody.
hon? I've been with you all night.
But what?
Somebody had to be
It's
you.
so your hair is so pinkish.
Look at your lips.
That's not my.
Look at your lipstick,
No, I don't. Maybe that's your mother.
hon.
Can you wipe
Maybe.
it? It's so pinky. The hair was white, now it's pink.
Great.
Now somebody's kissing him somewhere, guys. Guys, somebody kissing him, guys. Look how good looking is my husband, guys. It is an actor. I'm not an actor. I'm not a star. And I don't even have my own car. That's a song. Kinirod. What cross? This cross right here. Hi, Fred. Come here, Fred. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Are you ready to come up? Come here. Come here. Freddy, come. Freddy, come here. Come here. Fred, come here. Come here. Come here, Fred. Come here. Katulog. Gusto ko nang matulog. I don't know why. Kind of like a lot of Santa Claus over there. Did you see that? Sakit yung dyan ko eh. Wala. Sakit. Itong bahay ba, pag uwi namin dito, nag-ingay yung alarm. Yung alarm nag-ingay, so yung dalawang aso nalulog ka. So what happened?
Give me one of those 3-volt batteries that I got.
The tiny round one?
Yeah, the little short fat one that says 3 volts on it.
Okay.
CR123A.
Okay. So yun pala, parang battery ata, lobat ata. Kaya ito palang dalawang aso nalulog ka na to ba? So what is the problem here? Why we have like too much noise?
I don't know what this shock means. I don't understand that. This is the gas, but you know, this I know this detector is bad, so.
Andun pala si Tammy sa driveway, guys. O sa garage kasi inano niyang ano, yung sasakyan ko, nilagyan niya ng tawag dito.
You know, that's because I'm anally tentative, bothers me.
It's still a little bit under here too.
Oh, yeah, it's everywhere.
So you have to buy that special scraper?
I had this.
Hmm?
Yes, but I always it's not like I didn't buy it. I just had to go 2 blocks to get it. I take the blade out.
Hmm?
I just take the blade out of here.
Sasakyan next year ulit. Next year ulit ito. Every December, itong ma-expire yung inspection and registration.
This piece you gotta keep.
Huh?
This piece you keep for the car.
Yeah, just put it back over there. I'll hold it.
Oh, let's get a hammer. Hammer it up.
Oh. So now I'm gonna hold you there. Hala, ang ganda nito, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Ang ganda. Laki yan ba? Kapitbahay namin.
Something wrong with this ground. You can't bang nothing into it. Really something wrong.
Yeah. Hala. Okay, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Kuha lang ako ng pang ano sa legs. You have your mother outside, Rox. The mother deer. The mother deer. The mother deer is outside. The mother deer is outside. You want din na? This man is planning to play with his latte machine. Is that latte, Han? Cappuccino latte machine. He's gonna play with it because he doesn't. You only do it very little, Tammy, and when then you do it, you have to kind of small drip, and then you drag it wherever you want.
Yeah, but if it's not, if the milk isn't frost properly, it won't work.
What is that to cover the thing?
Cover this.
Because guys, he want to achieve how to make a face, how to make a
Leaf.
Caliph, and a duck face, and his own face. he wants his face to be in the coffee.
I know a duck face. Here, watch. I'll show you.
Han, oi. So
Oi?
Han, you are not nice, husband, Han. You call me I'm a duck face. Tommy, that's not nice, son. No, I'm a duck face.
Oh, for cappuccino, it's got to be a shot.
Is it?
Yeah, it automatically goes a shot.
So only a small freaking cup. Look, that's it. Stop talking, Roxy. No, I'm not listening to you. Go talk to your daddy. Hello. Muhilak day. Adto sa imong amahan ay. Adto dito. You go to your dada. Go to your dada. Hoy. Don't scratching the floor. Talk to her.
Frustration.
Yeah, frustration release.
Bite my pants.
He's trying to tell you, he's trying to grab you and bring it to the sliding door. He bite your nose?
Bite my nose. Get over here.
Yeah, she won't bite, Han. She's just sleeping. Hello. Hello. Oh. Dada's little girl. Ah. Han, don't listen to her. She's scamming you, Han. You know she's scamming you?
She's not trying to scam me. She's trying to tell me, hey, I want to go out. Don't you understand what the hell I'm saying? That's what she's doing.
But she keep doing it to you.
Because she says, hey.
Because you don't tell her to stop and
keep
not.
going
Don't.
until you understand what I'm trying to tell
She
you.
won't do it to me because I said that's it. You went outside already. That's it. Okay, guys. Aalis na si Tommy, guys. He's going to the other house. So why don't you just carry it close? Seriously?
I'm leaving my laptop and grabbing the car. I'm not doing that.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Arded. Arded.
Yep.
That's him, guys. The hearted guys is back.
Mangoes.
Guys, we are trying this again, guys, because it doesn't freaking work. It doesn't freaking work. So we use this thing because I like to see the coffee. Look at, guys. There's no foam, guys.
A little foamier than it was.
Okay. Where are you gonna put it? Put it here?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely foamier.
Allah, it's a lot of foam. How can I drink that? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you
you
could-
can art now.
Good.
Hello, guys. We're gonna make a thing, guys.
I wonder why it doesn't do it hot. It's supposed to.
This is what I want.
Okay. Well, you achieved your goal. I'm gonna try and do it cold and then spin hot and see what happens.
And this is what I want. Look, look. Oh my god. And it's really good when it's cold and hot underhand. Guys, this is really what I want, guys. Roxy, come here, lick my mouth. It's leaving me. It's always do leave.
Bye, hon. I know it's chilly here.
I love you.
You too. Put the scissor back in the house. Why is the scissor sitting
Yeah,
on
I
the chair?
forgot.
Oh, that was a string you tied up the
Yeah,
thing with?
yeah. Drive
No, you weren't.
Yes, I did.
For the deer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? That's strong, hon.
Did you tie it up?
Yeah. The car, guys, it's on again. There's something wrong in the car, hon.
I don't know why that red light is on something there though.
Which is red light?
On the dashboard.
Dashboard. There's no red light on.
Yeah, on the red, yeah.
You don't. You have your laptop over there. Punta ako sa taas. Good night, guys. Good night na sa inyo. Bukas na lang. Good night. Bukas na lang, guys. Ha? Thank you, guys. Salamat sa panonood. So, bukas na lang tayo magkita-kits and I will see you. Oh, next day. Hindi bukas. The next day. Bye. Good night, guys.